everyone. So today we're going to go ahead and draw a strawberry. So first we're going to start out at the top and we're going to draw the one side of the strawberry, kind of like that, and then you want to kind of curve in around like this. And then we're going to go ahead and leave a space, and then let's go ahead and draw the other side of the strawberry, kind of like a heart, just like that, and join the other side. And then we're going to go ahead and add a stem at the top. So I'm just going to put a little kind of slightly curved stem right there. And we're going to go ahead and add in the leaves. So I'm going to put one leaf off to the side here. It's kind of like that. And then we're going to have another one hang down here in front of the strawberry. And then I'll add another one right here. And another one off the side, just like that. We're going to actually go over that line, but we'll go ahead and erase that later. And then I'm just going to add one in the back, just kind of like this. It's going to be hanging down in the back, but of course we can't see that. And also we need to add some seeds on our strawberry, because strawberry has to have little seeds on the outside. So we're just going to draw some little, kind of like little ovals, just like this, just all over. You can put as many as you want, all over the place. Another one there, another one at the bottom, maybe another one right there. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and outline our strawberry with our black marker. So I'm gonna go ahead and start up here at the stem. Let's go ahead and do that first, and then I'll go ahead and do the leaves also. Do that little leaf in the back. And just like that. These leaves at the front. Put a little line right there with the bottom of the stem. And then our last leaf right here. All right, and we'll go ahead and do our strawberry all the way down to the bottom. I'm gonna come back up here and there we go. And now we'll go ahead and do our seeds. Lots of little seeds on the outside of strawberries, which is kind of interesting. So most fruits have seeds on the inside. So there we go, we've outlined our strawberry, and we're gonna go ahead and take our eraser and then go ahead and erase all those pencil lines that we have. All right, and let's go ahead and brush off all of that eraser pieces. All right, so we're gonna go in and I'm gonna start with the stem. So I'm gonna go and use this green color. You can use any shade of green that you'd like to use. Just color in all those leaves. And our last one in the front here. Okay. And I am going to use this nice bright red color for our strawberry. There's a lot to color for the strawberry. I like to outline first. Just go around the edges and then, go around the seeds, just so we're not coloring into those areas. And then you can color in quickly. And let's go and outline again. So we don't want to end up with red seeds. Again, if you want to, you can use, you don't have to use markers. You can use colored pencils or crayons, or, if you want to paint it, or you can just leave it black and white. Either way, whatever you want to do. A lot of this red to color in. All right, and we just have our last little seed to go around here. Last little section of color. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and use this kind of like it's kind of like a beige, like yellow. Usually strawberry seeds are kind of a yellow color. Sometimes they're more brownish. Color all those in. All right. And that's it. And that's how you draw a strawberry. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I do have other videos on my page. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.